Welcome to our channel. If you're a coffee lover who's always on the go, you know the struggle of finding the perfect cup of coffee while traveling. In this video, we're exploring the 7 best travel coffee makers that will ensure you never have to settle for subpar coffee again. Whether you're camping in the wild or staying in a hotel, these coffee makers are designed to make your coffee experience as enjoyable as possible. Let's dive in. At the first position of our list, we have Keurig Mini Coffee Maker is an excellent choice for travelers who need a compact and efficient brewing solution. Measuring just 12.1 inches high and 4.5 inches wide, it fits comfortably in tight spaces, making it ideal for hotel rooms or small RV kitchens. Its sleek black design is not only stylish but also practical, with a simple interface that ensures ease of use. This coffee maker is designed to brew a single cup of coffee, which is perfect for solo travelers. It features a strong brew setting that enhances the flavor and strength of your coffee. The K-Mini's water reservoir holds up to 12 ounces of water, which is enough for a full cup and easy to refill. It also heats up quickly, so you won't be waiting long for your caffeine fix. In terms of durability, the K-Mini is built with high-quality materials that ensure longevity. Its compact design doesn't compromise on performance, providing a consistent brewing experience every time. Additionally, it's easy to clean, with a removable drip tray that helps keep your coffee station tidy.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Moving on to the next at number 2, Elite Gourmet EHC 113M single-serve coffee maker in a refreshing mint color. This coffee maker stands out with its eye-catching design and practical functionality. Its single-serve brewing system is perfect for those who need a quick cup of coffee without fuss. The Elite Gourmet's 14-ounce water reservoir allows for a larger serving size, making it suitable for those who need a bit more caffeine to start their day. One of the key features of this coffee maker is its versatility. It's compatible with both ground coffee and soft coffee pods, giving you the flexibility to use your favorite coffee formats. The brewing process is straightforward with a simple one-touch operation, and it includes an auto shoot-off feature that enhances safety and energy efficiency. Durability is a strong point for the Elite Gourmet, with its robust build and high-quality materials that withstand frequent use. The compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and store, making it a great travel companion. Now, coming in at number 3 is the AeroPress Go Travel Coffee Press Kit is a must-have for any coffee aficionado on the move. Its innovative design allows you to brew rich, smooth coffee in a matter of minutes. The AeroPress Go is compact and comes with its own travel mug, which doubles as a carrying case. This makes it exceptionally convenient for travelers who want a high-quality coffee experience without taking up too much space. The AeroPress Go's construction is made from durable, BPA-free plastic, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of travel. The brewing process involves a unique piston method that extracts flavor effectively, resulting in a clean, flavorful cup of coffee. Additionally, it's incredibly easy to clean, with components that are dishwasher safe. The press kit includes a filter holder, a scoop, and a stirrer, making it a comprehensive solution for brewing coffee on go. It's also versatile enough to make espresso-like drinks, which is a bonus for those who enjoy different coffee styles. Next at number 4 we have Bodum Travel Press Stainless Steel Coffee Maker is an excellent choice. With its sleek black design and durable stainless steel construction, this travel press combines style and functionality. It features a double-walled construction that keeps your coffee hot for hours, which is perfect for long journeys. The Bodum Travel Press has a user-friendly design with a plunger mechanism that allows for easy brewing and filtering. Simply add your coffee grounds, pour in hot water, and press the plunger down to enjoy a freshly brewed cup. Its 15-ounce capacity is generous enough for a couple of cups, making it a great option for those who want to share. Durability is a standout feature with high-quality stainless steel that resists wear and tear. The travel press is also easy to clean, with a design that allows you to disassemble it quickly for thorough washing. Its sleek design and practical features make it a reliable travel companion. The number 5 position is held by Ninja Pod's Grounds single-serve coffee maker in Glacier Blue offers a modern twist on traditional coffee brewing. This coffee maker features a dual-function design that allows you to use both coffee pods and ground coffee, giving you flexibility in your coffee choices. The vibrant Glacier blue color adds a touch of style to any kitchen setup. This model has a 10-ounce water reservoir, perfect for a single serving of coffee. It also includes a foldable drip tray that accommodates various cup sizes, making it versatile for different travel mugs. The one-touch brewing system ensures simplicity, and the integrated cleaning cycle makes maintenance a breeze. Durability and quality are evident in the Ninja's build, which is designed to withstand frequent use. The coffee maker's compact size makes it ideal for travel, while its performance ensures that you get a great cup of coffee every time. Its stylish design and practical features make it a popular choice among travelers. Number 6 position is dominated by KRUPS Simply Brew single-serve coffee maker in silver black is a straightforward, no-fuss option for coffee lovers on the go. Its sleek design and compact size make it a practical choice for travel, fitting easily into small spaces. The KRUPS Simply Brew is known for its user-friendly operation, featuring a single button for brewing convenience. This coffee maker has a 6-ounce water reservoir, which is ideal for single servings. It's compatible with both ground coffee and soft coffee pods, offering versatility in your brewing options. The coffee maker's design includes a removable drip tray for easy cleaning and a compact footprint that enhances portability. Durability is a key feature of the KRUPS Simply Brew, with high-quality materials that ensure long-term use. Its straightforward functionality and reliable performance make it a dependable choice for travelers who want a hassle-free coffee brewing experience. Finally, the number 7 position is held by Sulypo single-serve travel coffee maker. This compact and efficient coffee maker is designed with the traveler in mind, featuring an 8-ounce capacity that is perfect for a quick cup of coffee. Its sleek and minimalist design ensures that it won't take up too much space in your luggage. The Sulypo coffee maker is known for its simplicity and ease of use. It operates with a single button and brews coffee quickly, making it ideal for those who need their caffeine fix in a hurry. The coffee maker's design includes a removable drip tray for easy cleaning and a compact build that enhances portability. In terms of durability, the Sulypo is built with high-quality materials that are designed to withstand frequent use. Its compact size and straightforward functionality make it a great choice for travelers who want a reliable coffee maker that doesn't compromise on quality. That wraps up our list of the 7 best travel coffee makers. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect coffee companion for your next adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!